Choosing colors that show your values and your personality as a brand is an essential part of designing for your business. Making a choice between all these colors is where all the magic happens. When working on a new design, looking nice isn't enough, and the color you choose to add to your designs does matter a lot. To understand how to choose better, in this video I am explaining some concepts about the color that will let you create eye-catching designs to catch everybody's attention. First things first, primary colors. As you keep mixing primary and secondary colors, you get newer shades of each color. Colors may change when darkening or lightening, when their saturation is more pure or intense, and all these factors may give you a different color hue. Designs in RGB are more in line with what you can see on any screen because it has a wider range of color, whereas CMYK is better for printing. Now, let's get to the actual making of your designs in colors. But there's just one thing to have in mind first: the color wheel, which is basically a form of color organization. Now, these are some color variations you can choose for your brand. Monochromatic, various shades of the same color. This is a very conservative choice. Angleless, these are different hues that are just sided by side on the color wheel. Complementary, opposites on the color wheel that are high contrast. Split complementary, are two angleless colors plus one complementary. Triadic, three complementary colors. Tetradic, two pairs of complementary colors. Feel free to explore and take a look at some color palette inspirations. Think about your industry and its colors. You can find color palettes in nature, in a specific season or temperature. For example, ocean colors, fall season colors, Christmassy tones, and more. You can even use an app or website to choose the best combination for your brand color psychology strategy. This is just a scratch from the surface of color in marketing. You can find tons of professional research on the subject to get more in-depth information, or you can start reading it in our blog. Find the link in the description box, and don't forget to check my other videos. Thanks for watching!